Welcome back. Today we will discuss an issue which is of great importance in today's world. A lot of management bandwidth, management hype, management talk is concentrated about it. This is called analytics. What is data and what is analytics? As we discuss the fundamentals and the basics of this important concept, we will also try to bring a few things which are critical from the errors and the biases which could create problems to this important concept. Now, coming back to what is data analytics. Data, as you know, is generated everywhere. Your expenditure is a data, your income is a data, how much is the house price in your area is a data, what is the market price of vegetable is a data. But how do you take the information that is in the form of data and make it to use is called data analytics. Let us see what is the process of data analytics. By simply giving a set of information and telling that this is the data analytics is not data. That is probably the initial way of making reporting. Reports were given when bosses asked for an information, reports were given. That is based on data, but that is not analytics. So let us see some examples how we go about understanding data and analytics. Data first involves collection of data. And what is collection of data? In data analytics language, it is called, mining of data. When we have lot of data and we try to collect whatever is relevant based on business objectives, it is called data mining. In data technology or data parlance, there is a sequence called ETL: extract, transform, and load, or in the sense you preserve for getting it in the future. So we first understand where exactly the requirement of data is, and then we collect data points from where data is to be taken, then analyze what is the way that data needs to be orchestrated to get into the results that we get, and then we try to apply some technology, whether you call it R, whether you call it Python, whether you call it the data warehouse technology, whether you call it regression, whether you call it statistics. That is the way we do it. Now, let us see what is the way in which this data analytics science is organized. Depending on what aim we have, analytics can be broadly divided into four things. The first thing is called the reporting or diagnostic kind of analytics, where all data is organized into dashboards, into tables, into graphs, where you understand what exactly is the nature of the messaging that is coming out of data. That is called, as I told you, the diagnostic or reporting kind of analytics. The second form is called, the prescriptive, or what is the way in which the data is pointing to things. So what we do is that we take data based on one problem or one use case. We slice and dice it, we apply other cases where it is available and take it forward and make prescriptions. The most used case today is the third form of analytics, which is called, we call it predictive analytics. What will happen? What if analysis or scenario analysis. How things could happen if these variables are holding true. So based on various logics, we try to give this a situation or a event or a thing which could come forward, and we can make an analytics. That is called predictive analytics. So reporting analytics, diagnostic analysis, predictive analysis, prescriptive analysis. This is the basic of analytics, and behind that is data collection, data mining, organizing the data and putting them into formats where they can be readily used. This is the essence of data analytics.